Hey guys, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. I'm finally back on camera. I know it's been a while, but I thought it would be fun to come back to show you some Christmas things. So Zoya recently released a whole bunch of Christmas sets, and I have 12 to show you, but today I'm just going to show you the lip side, and then I'll show you the nail side another day, so the video is not like majorly long. So yeah, that is what today's video is all about. So if you guys want to see their new lip kits that they've released, and I say lip kits, they're not really like lip kits per se, but they are little lip gift sets, so we're going to take a look at them. There are many different varieties of sets that you can get, but most of them are either a quad or a duo, so we're going to take a look at both. I believe there's only one quad for the lip glosses, which is this one. This is the Kissmas Quad that consists of 4 different, well, they're called hot lips. They're their glosses. So we're going to take a look at those. They come in like little tubes if you have never used a Zoya gloss before. So, they're going to fall out. Yeah, they're going to fall out. So, first up we have the one in the shade called Fame. This is a super neutral color. This one is going to go on considerably nude. And if you've never used their glosses, they have like a rounded applicator. I would put it on, but I am currently wearing a lipstick that we're going to be looking at soon, and I don't want to mess it up. Then next up we have this one. This one is called Flirt, which is kind of a darker nude. I think really these are just going to give a good glossy finish to your nails with a slight tint. They're not super pigmented. They're not going to like majorly change the color of your lips. However, this one is definitely going to give a darker tint, and this one is called a Purr with 2 R's. And these, I didn't mention this earlier, but these are all creams in this little set. And then this one is going to give a more major tint as well. And this one is called Maraschino. It's kind of like a deep holiday berry red, I would say. You know, kind of like a cherry. A little bit deeper, I would say. So there is that. And that is the Kissmas Quad set. Now, next up we have the duos, and I actually have like 6 different duos to show you. So first up we have this one, and what are their names? This is a Taste of a Winter duo. It comes with a hot lip and a lipstick, so we're going to open these up and see what colors they come in. This one is actually a lipstick that I am currently wearing, and this one is called Bristol, and I'm showing you the box. You guys can't see anything in the box. They do have their names on the top, so you can kind of see that. And they're a pretty close color match, I would say. But, of course, you know, you can't print colors exactly like they are in real life. So, if you've never used a Zoya lipstick, they're really nice. They feel very hydrating. I don't recall ever having a matte one before. I have a few of theirs. But they just feel really nice. They move. They're definitely not kiss-proof or anything, but, you know, you don't always need that. So, here is Bristol, which is what I'm wearing. So yeah, it's a good berry tone. I usually find these colors hard to wear because I wear a lot of Marsala clothing. But whenever I'm wearing colors that aren't Marsala, I love to wear these types of shades because they're fun, different, and kind of festive without being like super red, because I mean, I could do red, but being so pale, I just don't feel like it works on me. Then we have a gloss that does kind of go with it. Some of the pairings that don't really go together, but this one I think it does. This one it is like the same berry colored, but this one has a shimmer in it, and this one is called Hot Lips Scarlet, and it is really pretty. Next up we have the Holidays Duo, which, again, a hot lips with a lipstick. So we're going to open this up. So like we did last time, we'll do the lipstick first. And this one is called, actually this is a matte one. I've not used this one yet. That's why I didn't know. This is Matte Velvet Red. You can kind of see it's what it's expected to be like. So this is a really good deep red, perfect for the holidays. It's really pretty. And that's deep enough that I feel like it'll look good on. Like, it won't be too much of a contrast, even though I do love a good, like, bold, dark light contrast. I don't know, I'm kind of picky about lipsticks, but these feel really nice. That's a good thing. And then the Hot Lips is kind of a brick red, I would say, but it does have a bit of a shimmer in it, and I want to say a hint of a pink shimmer. And this one is called, actually, it's kind of faded off, so I'm not sure this is right. And Entourage, and then the other word's like gone. So I think this is Entourage. I will put the names somewhere on the screen here so you guys can see, but this is like a pretty brick red with a little bit of a pink shimmer. Next up, we have the Snow Kisses Duo. I believe that is what it's called. Yes, Snow Kisses Duo. And the Hot Lips is a light pink gloss with, I want to say, kind of an orangey shimmer, but not like super orange. It's just going to give you a nice shimmer on the lips. So we'll look at this one first because it's out. This one is really pretty. Again, these are just going to give you a little tint, not major color. Then the lipstick that we have is Addie, which it shows it being kind of a mauvey pink. So we'll see if that is true to the tube. Let's see. No, I would kind of consider this more of a nude. I wouldn't say there's much pink in there. Maybe a little bit of peach, although on camera and like the viewfinder, it does kind of look like it has some pink, but I personally don't really see that much pink. I feel like it's more of a nude shade. It's actually a really pretty color and would be like super good everyday shade that's going to go with anything. And you could totally pair that with a gloss. So that is really pretty. And this one is called Addie. And nice thing is they put the names on the bottom too, so that makes it super helpful. Next up, we have the All That Glitters Duo. This one's gloss is definitely an orangey toned gloss, which is going to be an orangey tint, and this one does have some sparkle in it, and it is really pretty. And this one is called Blog. It's interesting. You guys can kind of see the golden-y shimmer in there. That's really pretty. And then the lipstick that's in here is not one that I would pair this one with at all, by any means. But it is a bold, so far, you know, looking here, it is a bold, like magenta-y color called Lucky. And here we have Lucky. Wow, okay, so this is a super, super bold magenta. Actually, that is very accurate to the color here, I would say. This has like an ultraviolet shimmer in it, so that will be really interesting to see if that actually translates on the lip, because that is super bold. Very, very, very bold. It's kind of fun. Not sure what I'd wear it with, but really fun color. Next up, we have a duo called Fun and Frosty. The hot lip here is called Anonymous, and this is a really pretty pink with a golden-y shimmer in it. I really feel like this one's gonna look like just like juicy plump lips, if that makes sense. It's really pretty. And then for the lip, we have a super neutral color called Candice. I'm not even sure. Yeah, the camera's not picking. There you go. It's picking it up a little bit. Super neutral color. And here is Candice. Now, Candice in person versus the little printed out lid has kind of a peachy with a golden underglow going on, and that is really pretty. So there is Candice. I would say it matches pretty well. I feel like it's peachier here than it is here, whereas this is more pink. Now, lastly, we have the Believe in Magic duo, which is our last duo to look at today. So first up is the Hot Lip. This is definitely a good plummy purple, one that I've never worn a purple lipstick per se, but I do like a purple tinted gloss because it just gives you a deeper look on the lips. And this one is called Hocus Pocus. This one does have a shimmer in it. I want to say there's a golden shimmer and a like vibrant purple shimmer, but again, I don't think it's going to be too much or anything. That is just really pretty. And then the lipstick we have, it says it's called Paisley. And it looks like it's going to be kind of like a Marsala shade, which is like my weak spot. Love a good Marsala any time of the year. It's basically what I wear all year. Let's see if it's true. Oh yeah, that is a really, really pretty creamy Marsala. I would say there might be a hint more plum in that versus like a red that you would get in the burgundy or Marsala, but that is really pretty. So there is Paisley. And that is it for our Hot Lips and lipstick holiday gift sets that Zoya has out. I believe there are more online, so of course all of that will be linked in the description box below. Formula, they feel nice, they don't dry you out. I've worn multiple of them and they've never left me feeling like I had really dry lips. So that I'm always really impressed by, and I'm not a huge gloss fan, but these are really pretty and I do enjoy wearing them. So I will try to post more like videos and things like that on my Instagram stories so you guys can kind of see more of them on, because I mean I can only wear one in a video, but of course there will have been swatches. So yeah, that is it for this video today. Be sure to check back soon because I am going to do the nail gift sets that they have released as well, and I'm thinking about swatching them. I haven't decided 100% because they are like re-releases and some of them may have already been swatched on my site, but if you guys want to see them swatched, I will probably go ahead and do that because there are some really pretty gift sets. So yeah, be sure to head back here in a few days to see that, and thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a great day and I will see you very soon. Bye!